Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Jay's Vlog 786. I'm Maya, your English teacher. I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Jack. Hey, everyone. It's great to be here. Today is going to be really fun, right, Maya?
Yes, absolutely. So, if you're learning English, this episode is just for you. It's simple, it's easy, and it's really helpful. Let's go.
Maya, so what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about techniques, simple techniques to help you learn English faster.
Oh, techniques. That's a big word. What does it mean?
Good question. A technique is just a way to do something, like a special method or trick. For example, a technique to remember new words.
Oh, I see. So tricks to learn English. Nice. I need that.
Yes, Jack, everyone needs it. Okay, so we have three great techniques today. Are you ready?
Ready. Let's do it.
Okay, technique number one is listen every day. Just listen. You don't need to understand everything, just listen.
Just listen. That's it?
Yes, just listen. You can listen to music in English, or a short video, or a podcast like this one. Even 10 minutes a day is good.
Oh, so listening to this podcast right now, that's already a technique.
Exactly. You're doing it right now. You're learning and you don't even feel it.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I love this technique.
Example dialogue 1. I listen to English every morning.
Let's do a little example, okay?
Sure, let's pretend we're two students talking.
Hey, your English is really good. What's your secret?
Oh, thank you. I listen to English every morning. Just a short podcast or a song. It helps a lot.
Really? Every morning? That's so easy. I can do that too.
Yes, try it. Just 10 minutes. You'll feel the difference. See? Simple. You can say, I listen to English every morning. Try to say that. Say it out loud.
I listen to English every morning. Huh, did I do it right?
Perfect, Jack. Great job. Okay, technique number 2. When you learn a new word, say it out loud. Don't just read it in your head. Say it.
Oh, why out loud? Why not just read it?
Because when you say it, your mouth remembers, your ears hear it, and your brain learns it faster. It's really true.
Okay, so if I learn the word beautiful, I say beautiful, beautiful, beautiful out loud.
Yes, exactly like that. And maybe use it in a sentence, like, the sky is beautiful today.
The sky is beautiful today. I like that. It's easy and beautiful. Ha,
Yes, Jack, good one. Okay, let's do another example. This time, a student and a teacher.
I'll be the teacher, you be the student. I learned a new word today. Understand, but I keep forgetting it.
Okay, say it out loud 3 times. Right now. Go.
Understand, understand, understand.
Great. Now use it in a sentence.
I don't understand this word, but I'm trying.
Perfect. Now you won't forget it. That's the power of saying it out loud. Okay, and technique number 3. This one is very important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Oh, that's hard. I always feel embarrassed when I make a mistake.
I know, but listen, mistakes are good. Every mistake helps you learn. It's okay to say the wrong word. It's okay to speak slowly. Just try.
Really? So mistakes are good?
Yes, think about babies. They make mistakes all the time, but they keep trying, and one day they speak perfectly. You can do the same.
That's true. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Huh.
Yes, Jack, all the time, and that's perfectly fine.
Hey. Okay. But yes, the lesson is just try. Don't stop, keep going.
Exactly. And remember, speaking a little English is always better than speaking no English at all.
Okay, so Maya, let's do a quick recap. What were our 3 techniques today?
Great idea. Let's go through them together. 1. Listen every day, even just 10 minutes. A podcast, a song, a short video, any English is good. 2. Say new words out loud. Don't just read them, say them. Use them in a sentence. Your brain will remember faster. 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn. Just try. Keep going. Every day is progress.
I love it. So simple, and anyone can do it.
Yes, you don't need a classroom, you don't need a big book, you just need a little time every day and a positive attitude.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for listening. You're doing amazing. Keep it up.
Yes, thank you for joining us today. Remember, English is not hard. It just takes a little practice every day. You can do it.
And if you liked this episode, share it with a friend who's learning English. That would mean so much to us.
See you next time on Jay's Vlog 786. Take care, everyone, and keep learning. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. See you soon. And remember, don't be afraid. Just try. Bye.